Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on my channel Exploring the World. This video will be all about the DJI Osmo Pocket and the Insta360 One X that I recently got from Hayats to play around with. In this video I would like to show you the comparison between the Osmo Pocket, the Insta360 One X and the Gopro Hero6 Black Edition. I will not judge about the image quality, I will leave it up to you, and if you would like to share your opinion with me, just leave it down in the comments below. I hope that you liked this video and I would be happy to see you in the next one.